need my other hand for this, guys. So I was offered some work at a friend's trail building company, and this deal was way too sweet to turn down. This is basically a working holiday. The Upper Goat follows the 1886 route miners used to travel to get from the Upper Fraser River to that Barkerville gold. Among the many river crossings is a small cable car that allows hikers to cross the Goat itself during low water and at their own risk. That's where we come in. The reason I got the invite in the first place is because the cable car is in need of some modern engineering and a new mainline, and that comes with a bunch of extra things like digging holes, fallen trees, and just generally building things. Initially, I was invited to participate in some good old-fashioned mining, but as we tunneled for bedrock, one thing led to another, and I ended up coming back for a couple days of danger tree removal, which we needed before any helicopter work could commence. Started the day with a much smaller pit here, and we took out a tree over there. That tree is gone. All in all, pretty good day. It's starting to rain now, so we're gonna get soaked on the hike out. It's about 5K up here. Looking pretty good though. This is what we've been aiming for, bedrock. Cool. Well, the hike in with a chainsaw on my back might have made me temporarily regret my decision. It was nice to flex skills I hadn't used in a while, and this is now, I'd say, one of my favorite work locations. So interestingly, the water level has come up since last time we were here. Big stint of hot weather. And now the cable car will not get across the river. We can't get across to the other side today, so I guess I'm coming back. So we got up early today, 5 o'clock start to get out here before the heat, and finish off the falling. Water levels have come down on the river quite a bit, and should be able to get across pretty easily now. We need to be finished up early. It rained last night, but there is still fire danger in British Columbia. Condolences to all of Lytton and everybody else who's affected by wildfires in BC. So yeah, that's a concern. So we're gonna finish up as early as we can and do our fire watch. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Beat the heat. It was like up there. So it's way down now. It's good. pretty rotten. Hey, Rosie. Oh, good girl. Hey, Rosie. Is it nap time? Is it nap time, Rosie? It's kind of a race against the clock because we have to finish cutting by 1 and do 2 hours spark watch. So yeah, spark watch time. Look at the helipad. It's pretty good. It's now like 4 o'clock, maybe later. 4 p.m., 4:30 p.m. and we're hiking out. We decided to do a couple hours of chiseling on this footing. While we waited around and did our spark watch. So now the hard part, we got to pack all the gear out, all the chainsaws out.
For those of you who feel like you didn't get to see enough of the actual cable car project, I have good news. This cable car project has been so fun that I have to get Mike out here. And next time, we're gonna camp.
Actually, it looks really good.
Ross is our guide, by the way.
Yeah. What, on this river safari?
How many butterflies can Ross collect while growing?